Hey, hello and welcome to my new video. This is Kalam again here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete your HC account on in a minute. So without any more time wasted, let's get started. Now I'm on my account. You can see this is my dashboard. Now click on account setting. When you click on account setting, you are redirected to this other page. So now scroll down, then you can see this is close your account. What's happened, you close your account, so just click on close account. So keep in mind this is permanently. So now type your password. It's password. When you click on it's password, then click on close account, then your account are close less than 30 minutes. I hope you are doing this work perfectly. So if you have found this video helpful for you, please make sure like this video and subscribe this channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.